So I've had a lot of question about, will a 5.5 gallon minute 2500 PSI pump run a 20-inch surface cleaner? It will, and I will show you in this video. Now, this is a Vortex surface cleaner. It is one that I've had to get to demonstrate. So this is one that I've done it, but I also did DJ's. He has a Hammerhead 19-inch, and they both work just fine, no problem at all. And so with that being said, I love my 1500 or my 2500 PSI 5 gallon a minute. I did this house wash in no time. I'm going to do the concrete. I'll show you here about how fast I can move in the whole 9 yards. You can see that this concrete was dirty, and you can see how fast I got it done here. Show you the dirtiness here, and as we're coming along, you can see how dirty it was. It was dirty. It don't look that dirty, but it is dirty, and I'm able to move fairly quick. This worked great. And we'll just rinse it off and get all the crud off, and we'll be good as new. So yes, you can see that surface cleaner, and I actually used the Hammerhead 19-inch, and they both work excellent with the 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer 2500 PSI. So yes, I do love my 1500 or my $1,500 2500 5.5 gallon minute pressure washer. It works great for washing the house, and it works great for surface cleaning. It's a great all-around pressure washer. I know this is kind of for concrete, but I love that pressure washer. You know, if you don't want to spend $3,500 on a 5.5 or $4,000 on an 8 gallon a minute, you can build a whole rig for that amount, what you're going to build just in that pressure washer. So this is why I love this 2500. I did this house, the barn, and I mean, honestly, if I wasn't doing video, I should have been able to do it all in about an hour and 15 minutes. I've been doing a lot of videos, so that is why it's taking me a little bit longer to do this. But it works great. I haven't had no issues out of it. It's a great machine. It does wonderful. Do we need to go high? Honestly, I don't see why we need to get high. What does high pressure do? Damage stuff. So why do we need 4,000 PSI? We don't. So with that being said, if you want to go check out my thing for $1,500 machine and how I can build a pressure washing rig that you will be ready to make money within probably $3,000 to $3,500, go check out this playlist right here, and I'll see you in that next playlist.